black vessel shines a cosmos white as green aroma drifts through the air. Memories from faraway days arise, and a friend's warm smile appears again. Sweet gyokuro dances upon my tongue, its warmth blending with a friend's embrace. In every drop a tender bond resides, a fleeting encounter etched in my soul. Resound, Yu-Neh, deep within my heart, binding threads of kindness shared by friends. This fleeting moment, a treasure to hold. With gratitude I sing to the sound of warmth. A vessel of meeting tinged with rising steam, its black glaze reflecting the present now. This calm silence whispers its truth, a light of bonds to guide the days to come. Softly Yu-Neh carries a quiet song, bringing back the echoes of cherished days. Within a single drop a vast cosmos blooms, and I surrender to the beauty of its sound. Resound, Yu-Neh, deep within my heart, binding threads of kindness shared by friends. This fleeting moment, a treasure to hold. With gratitude I think of you, Yu-Neh. Wavering steam reveals its wisdom, moments etched with the song of Yu-Neh. The bonds we wove with friends so dear, an eternal melody to guide us home.